Okay, we're back finally. I fixed it and I'm soloing this. President is ready. Follow me to the room. I cleaned it up by myself because there's no one here. Hello, President. Why are you already mad? Nothing even happened. How far are we in the air? How tall is this president's plane? Wait, what? I'm so sorry. It's just a habit. What habit? What habit? I'm gonna keep. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Thank you. I mean, don't mind if I'm stepping on the plates. My name is Ronald, president of the Robloxian States. Yes, I am, but I didn't record it. I have a delicious meal prepared for you in this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. What is it, motherfucker? The food is not ready. Believe the chef messed up. No, I'm gonna be the chef. Now, because I'm alone. Wait, what's that? Every time in a Roblox game, I can see a black thing. Petong kabiyan. What? I never cooked in my... I cooked one time in Japan. In a restaurant. Because there's literally a cooks in the table inside. And then I'm just cooking it while it's in the table. No, bruh. Bruh. Why me? Petong kabiyan. I will tell you the ingredients and you will have to find them and drop them into the soap. Okay. Bruh. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash. But be quick. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Time to cook. Banana. Okay, banana. Butter. What type of soup is this? Potato. Corn. Put it in! The soup needs potato. Again. Food is ready. What type of soup is this? My heart breathed. It's like... What is all this food for? There's only two of us. Okay. Yeah, I'm not eating whatever they force me to put inside. I'm not eating that in the soup. That's like a punishment. Yeah, it definitely tastes delicious. Enjoy. I'm not even eating. Bro, what did you even tell me to put there? Like, bro. We hope you enjoyed the soup. Yeah, I definitely did. The president's suit. Where? Bro, just go. You AFK? AFK, you NPC? This NPC is AFK. You're not even there. You're not even moving. Where? Where? Computer room. Bruh, you're not even there. Bruh just teleported. Now, you must try to... Bruh, for real? I have to solo this entire universe? I have to solo this entire universe. Wow. Server. Good. Bro! Bro. We're supposed to make it purple. And dumb. Open up! I'm stuck! Why are you watching Skibidi Toilet? Oh wait, change you. What? Haunted. Come on. I had to get everything ready. Yeah. Bedroom. I can't find it. It's right here, idiot! I found the keys. I'm just soloing this entire server. Him. How long is this pain? Okay, but they did. Even though we don't see Violet Kitty, we still see her. Yeah, I'm definitely him. The last word was haunted. Now it's him. Hunting him. Okay. I later don't have any editor, so I'm just gonna edit. It's night time already. What creature? Where? The frick. Oh no! It's the monster! Where? Oh! That scared me. That scared me. Yes, I really did. I mean, bro, 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 bro. Help, 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 help. Wait, go in here. I'm an idiot.